guys, Markel here, back with another video, and I just want to talk about a few software bugs real quick and touch on the battery, and that'll be it for this video. So I'm going to start with the first bug that I have, and this is not trying to bash this phone in any way. It's a great phone. It's still the smartest smartphone out there right now because it's all Google services, but this is a first generation product and it does have its bugs like any first generation product will. The first bug that I have that I've noticed is in the camera app. Go to video, go to the front facing camera, go to time lapse, boom, it crashes every single time. So that's one. If you go down here to the YouTube Studio app, I've heard some reviewers talk about this, some kind of gloss over it, but the YouTube Studio app, which is an app for creators where you can read your comments, look at your analytics, see how your videos are doing. I click on this, go to analytics, it crashes, okay, every single time. The other major issue that I'm having, I should have started with this probably, but DJI apps. This is my Ronin app, will not open, crashes every single time. The same if I go to the DJI store, crashes. The Mimo app, crashes. The Fly app that I use to fly my drones, right here, DJI Fly app, it will not even come up on the Play Store. Can't find it anywhere on the Play Store. So if this was my only device, and I could probably side load DJI, then okay. But if this was my only device and I didn't know how to side load, I'd be screwed because I couldn't even fly my drones, all right? So I just wanted to share that with you guys because some of you guys may be in a similar situation where that might be your only device that you use to fly your drones or use some of your other DJI products. From my experience, as you can see on this device, it will not open, it will not work. Okay, now the last thing I'm gonna touch on before I get off here is the battery. I see on Twitter, Facebook, and a couple other places, people are complaining about the battery on this device. Now I will say, when I first got this phone, my very first day, the battery life was terrible. For the entire day, I got about 4.5 hours. The second day, when I went to Gomez Plata, I used the cameras, I used the videos, and I got roughly about 5 hours with about 10% left at the end of the day. This time, which is the third day, okay, I'm currently at 66%. Let's go into here, let's go to the apps, let's go to the screen on time here for today. I have 2 hours, 52 minutes at 66%. So I got almost 3 hours, roughly, you know, say 33, 34%. You average that out, you're gonna get roughly about 7, maybe 7.5 hours of screen on time, okay? Which is not bad. I mean, it's not Apple good, like the Pro 13 Pro Max is not good as that. My Samsung device is even a little better than this, but you know, it's still adapting, it's still early. I've only had it for 3 days. Let me come back when I do my review after a week and see where it is in comparisons to the devices that I have, which is my 12 Pro Max, which is my Samsung S21 Ultra, compared to what the battery life is on this. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I know some of you all are on the fence about getting this device. I'm not saying it's a bad device and not to get it. I'm just pointing out things to you that I have noticed after 3 days of use. Some bugs that needs to be fixed with software updates. Hopefully Pixel will put out a software update soon to fix these bugs. But if this is your only device, you're looking at purchasing this and this will be the only device you have, and say you have a drone or you have the Pocket or whatever, and it may just be my unit. My unit may be the only one that is experiencing this, but I've seen where other reviewers have talked about apps being a problem. So hopefully Google will come with a software update. All right guys, other than that, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time.